Welcome back to Earning with Bits, everyone. Today, let's do a quick update on Earn Pepe because they added a new feature. Get started by logging in first. As you can see, I have over 260,000 Pepe and need to withdraw. But first, let's make a few claims and use the new Pepe Roll feature. I'm selecting Manual Faucet on my dashboard and going to solve a few CAPTCHAs to earn some more coins. I'll speed up the footage while I'm claiming. Great, when we're done with the faucet, let's select Pepe Roll on our dashboard. Now choose Start Hunt on the bottom right. Here you just select the blue Start Timer tab on the top right. Now, scroll down the ad page, and when the timer runs out, select Proceed to Next Step. Great, now do this 6 times, and you will be rewarded with a free spin. This is pretty boring, but it pays more. Fantastic, we did all 6 steps. Now let's go back to Pepe Roll and claim our Pepe. Just click Feed Pepe, and he eats the bug you've earned. Great, we got over 100 Pepe, let's withdraw. Select Withdraw on your dashboard and choose your coin. I'm going to withdraw to Faucet Pay this time instead of C-Wallet. Great, now let's check out Faucet Pay to make sure we've been paid. As you can see, all my coins have arrived in my wallet. That's all for today. Thanks for joining us here at Earning with Bits.